Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters for precise search in the Ceasar's rewards application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look down below and in the middle you will find the do and see section. Press on it and you can see a search bar up there, and right next to it two lines with two dots on them. You can just press on it. Those are the filters, and you can filter basically here by resorts and casinos. You can select here the price, kind of, you can see in the symbols there, and the cuisine, so to say, which can be American, Asian food fusion, cafe variety, coffee, dessert, and all the others. You can just select one and press apply here. And seems like for these specific filters there are no results available, but as you can see, these filters are very precise, so if you choose it maybe differently, you might be able to filter down basically here the available options. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.